Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, hello, Andy Fong. Okay, good evening. Okay, Notion JF Tech JCY. Okay, from Joe Simpson, Emulus Kobe, IWCT. Jordan. Okay, DNO, Petronas Chemical, Inari Dofu, like and share. Thank you very much. Okay, HSI 9988. No problem. Okay, Limbun 1. Okay, MN Holding, UEMS, Tech. Okay. Asia Ply from Lim KL Lim. Okay, later I read. AD Law. Okay. Another Amitabha. Okay. Ewin, Elrich, Faytech. KMN Holding again. Okay. What is the next level to take profit? Okay. Good news. All right. Okay. So Genting from AD Law. Okay. Good evening. Hua Chin. Okay. Okay, FFP. Okay, I think today we'll have a lot Q&A already lah. How market come back already? People started to chase the market already. Okay, so yeah, please help me to click like and also share this video lah, so we can reach out to more people. Okay, so we can get more viewership and more likes lah. Okay. So today content we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil growth, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, and disclaimer: all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, LL Smart, IT Max. Okay, no problem. Yong Tai. Okay, Ken. Okay, so warm up first. Let's go for the US market lah. Okay. Okay, so far US side still doing well, especially we can see on Monday. Okay, market open gap up, close higher. Okay, so for Dow Jones tentatively, they are at the 200 MA's resistance. Okay, but for me, okay, most importantly, okay, they don't break below here lah, which is 41.7k. Okay, they don't break below, then should be alright. Oh, sorry, it's 41400. Okay, so is 41.400. As long as Dow Jones can stay above, I think they are still more on bullish bias. But if they break below, then not so good lah. Okay, not so good if they break below. But so far, you can see Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, these few days is still doing very well. S&P as well. Okay, this Monday they also open gap up, break higher. Unfortunately, our market no open. Otherwise, we can get into it. Okay, maybe get at the cheaper price, but doesn't matter. Okay, at least we see a confirmation. Okay, they already broke below 5,008. So at the moment, I will see their crucial support is at 5,755. Okay, stay above, still alright lah. Okay, maybe they will come back to retest the support. If they can get supported, then should be alright. No problem for them. Okay, and Nasdaq as well, continue go up. Monday open gap out, goes higher, and Tuesday and today also last still alright so far. So long they are above 20k lah. Okay, we put at 20k lah. So long above 20k, the Nasdaq should be still alright lah. So tentatively, their immediate support should be somewhere around 20.7k, 20.8k. Okay, is their immediate support. And yeah, so far we yet to see any sign of weakening. Okay, but do remember, okay, this is how Donald Trump play the market lah. Okay, at the moment, okay, in the initial stage, he implement tariff, then market drop, then roll back the tariff, market recovered. Okay, so now market is in the recovery. Okay, so in between, the market recovered to the re-implement the tariff. Okay, probably is within the 90 days time frame lah. So we don't know how far or how long he want to goreng lah. So at the moment we can see market is still alright. Okay, it's still alright. So yet to back to the tariff things lah. Okay, so I think still got maybe at least 1 or 2 weeks time for us to play around. Okay, hopefully. Okay, how about the oil price? Okay, oil price, in my opinion, they are still weak as they are still below $65-67. But as we can see, they do have some bottoming signal lah. Okay, bottoming within 55 to 65. Okay, this is a WTI. So pending for them to break up above 65. Okay, once they can break through 65, maybe we may expect some rebound. Okay, on the oil price. And how about the gold price? Okay, gold price for me they turning weak already. So we can see, okay, finally go for MACD already crossed down. Okay, tentatively they are at one of the important support, 3002. Okay, so we can see here got a mini double top already. Okay, if they break down, we may see more downside, probably to 3000 level. Okay, so tentatively I am seeing, okay, gold may have some correction. Okay, may have some correction soon. Okay, so yeah, don't buy at the top lah. Okay, wait for them to crash down further or correct down further, then you only collect lah. Okay, so for Bitcoin, so far so good. Okay, they already recovered above 100k. So I think they are, okay, they still have potential to challenge the all-time high or even break above the all-time high, which is somewhere around 108k. Okay, so I think, yeah, very high potential they can revisit. Okay, whether they can break or not, we need to see lah, follow up again. And for the Ethereum, they have a so-called cup and handle pattern ready lah. So pending for the breakout above 2007. If you notice, recently they pull up quite a lot from 1008. Okay, 1850, 1800. Okay, pull all the way up to I think yesterday high was 2007. Okay, so now I think they are doing some the handle lah. Okay, maybe they might consolidate a bit. Okay, pending for the breakout above 2007. Once they can clear, I think we may see more upside on the Ethereum. Okay, so so far for the crypto market is quite bullish. And how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, as I mentioned before, our important support, okay, our important resistance was 1540, 1530. So last week already broken up, so we turn into the support, so cannot break below 1530, right? So we can see on Monday our market, so not Monday, okay, Monday market no open, right? So Tuesday they straight open, gap up, close higher. Okay, today more on neutral. Okay, but take note our KLCI is approaching 200 MAs, which is at 1590, 1600. Okay, take note on this. I would say is a quite strong resistance. Okay, if they can clear above, then we can move our stop loss or we can move our support to 1590. Okay, so take note this is a 200 MAs and also is a strong resistance. Okay, back in February they also got rejected. Okay, so I would say 1590, 1600 is the immediate, okay, strong resistance. Okay, so yeah, so far we can see the today overall market sentiment is still very bullish lah. Okay, so I think it's still alright lah, still alright. Okay, so let's go for our stocks Q&A. Let me see. Okay, second round re-implementation tariff. Okay, I believe the tariff won't so smooth one. Okay, so at the moment, okay, they are just delay. Okay, delay for 90 days only. So in between these 90 days, we still don't know got any hoo-ha things. So I don't think we're so soon back into the conclusion lah. So in between, maybe market will see a lot of uncertainty and maybe market will suddenly fearful. Okay, when fearful, you know what to do lah, right? Okay, let's go for the Notion first. Okay, Notion today ada volumes. Wow, seems like today we'll have a lot watch lists already. Actually, if you notice those watch lists I share in the Telegram, from there you can feel the market sentiment already. If you see the watch list very long, you can know, okay, overall market sentiment should be alright. Okay, Notion today got high volumes. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, okay, before today, actually Notion we already spotted some volumes. Okay, if you follow our live session, we do mention, hey, Notion at the volume already, pending for the breakout only. Okay, so far they never break below 640. So for me, the structure is quite strong. So and today come with high volume pump up. So for me, it's very good news for them. Okay, but they also need to break out few resistance now. Okay, 770. Okay, they need to clear here. Next level. Okay, next level. Once they can clear above 770, stay above 770, they considered sideways breakout. okay, then market might have more strength to go up. Okay, also depend on external factor lah. Okay, MACD also not bad. Momentum also okay. So pending for the next breakout 770. Okay, with today's volume, today's momentum, so long market sentiment not too bad. Okay, I think they do have chance to challenge or break out above 770. So watchable or not? Yeah, of course this one is watchable. But yeah, at the moment, what we can expect is a market rebound first. Okay, we don't expect market will make a strong comeback, go into uptrend or what. Okay, we just consider them as a rebound first. Okay, rebound dulu. Don't too optimistic. Okay, if you see money earn some, then you want cabut also can cabut lah. At least you got take some profit dulu. Okay, don't later market U-turn from profit become loss Okay, JF Tech so far so good. Okay, they have a confirmation now. Okay, today breakout 505 already. Okay, this one, if I am not mistaken, last week we also covered, and I do mention the volume also not bad, and they also pending for the breakout, and today breakout 505. Okay, MACD momentum point of view, yeah, not bad. Okay, crossing up, and here also got a little bit bullish divergence. Okay, and also ada volume, ada breakout, ada price action. Okay, so long above 50 cents, they are still okay. Okay, take note on the immediate resistance. I will put at a 560, 590, 630. Okay, this one watchable lah. I noticed quite a lot retailers love these counters. Okay, so how about the JCY? Oh, JCY today got breakout again. Okay. Yesterday, actually, I shared in my, I shared in my YouTube. Okay, I do mention the volume is good. Okay, the volume build out is good, but I am pending for the breakout. Okay, and today they break out already lah. Okay, breakout above 395, closing 405. So for me, it's still alright. Okay, volume, momentum, all still okay lah. Okay, so tentatively, this one I need you to take note on 430 as your immediate resistance. Okay, because this is a resistance back in the March lah. Okay, 430, 460, 475. Okay, so this one, yeah, bottoming, cantik lah, still cantik lah so far. When the sentiment come, all market, all chart looks nicer already. Okay, Emulus. Okay, Emulus, if you play rebound, for me already hit one of the target lah for me. Okay, for me already hit lah. Because if you trade since here or here, okay, because this is a 200 MA's resistance. Okay, for me, somehow I need to respect here lah. Okay, here I need to take, maybe, okay, I will take some partial profit. Okay, take partial profit, then maybe you can set a trading stop at maybe 255. Stay above 255, then you can fight for more upside, maybe to 285, 290. Okay, but if they close below 255, then cabut dulu lo, or maybe protect your profit already. Okay, so this one, yeah, even though they are still nice lah, okay, but I would say the upside maybe not that attractive as others counters. Okay, but yeah, if you're still interested, then still alright lah. Maybe 245, 250. Okay, maybe I would say so long they don't close below 250, should be alright. Okay, but if bought from the bottom already, I think time for you to slowly take partial. But if you just plan to go in, I feel a bit far already so not so attractive. If I use this agak-agak 20 cents to 260 265 about 30% already. So for me it's like not so worth for the risk and reward lah. Okay, but setup is still alright. Okay, but fresh entry not so recommend lah. Okay, so how about Kobe? Okay, Kobe today also ada breakout. Okay, as you can see, semua stocks when they come the pattern semua sama-sama punya quite similar a bit greedy punya mood now. You can feel. Okay, so we can see this Kobe has been okay lah, a so-called not so perfect, but you can say it's a so-called double bottom. Okay, today got the breakout above 131 with volumes. So yeah, meaning so long they are above maybe I put 130 lah. So long above 130 should be alright, but you also need to take note on the 200 MAs 147. Okay, 147. Yeah, 147 is your 200 MAs resistant. Okay, how about the IWCT? Yeah, IWCT yet to break out, but the volume, the build out is still good. Okay, so what we can see, recent they do pump up, right? So sideways. Hey, today volume improve, bullish candle. So for IWCT, pending for the breakout above 40 cents. Okay, once they can break through 40 cents, means they are like forming a not so perfect, but you can say it's a inverse, a mini inverse head and shoulder lah, right? So if they are able to break through 40 cents, then we may see more upside. Maybe 475, 525 also possible. Okay, provided they stay above 355 lah, then should be alright. So this one IWCT, put in the watch list. Let's see how it's going. Kobe today also okay lah. Okay. Wah, all boleh tengok Okay, DNO. Let's see. DNO also macam sorry. DNO today also macam mari Ya, sama semua satu pattern semua. Okay, so DNO also similar pattern. Okay, if you notice most counters they are like forming a either cacat punya double bottom or cacat punya head, inverse head and shoulder, or a proper one Okay, this one I would say looks better lah. Okay, the double bottom. Okay, although it's like not perfect, but at least we can see this is a sign of bottoming. Okay, today they do pump up with volumes. Okay, if you notice actually yesterday they already have volumes. Okay, today volume lagi best. Okay, so tentatively we can say they are like breaking up above resistance 154. Okay, today closing 155. So at the moment maybe I'll put back the support at 150. Okay, to be at least you give them some range lah. Okay, so maybe I will say so long they are above 150, this one is still alright. Jialat, so many counters already now. Okay, so this one also doing bottoming, and MACD not too bad. Okay, and this one most importantly, don't break below 140 lah. Okay, below 140 memang tak cantik already. And if happen, they can pull up further. You turn on 185 2 ringgit as your R1, R2. Okay, so Petronas Chemical, let's see. Okay, this one also sama. This one will follow they do test the bottom, and you can see every time they pump, they retrace, they pump, they retrace. Okay, so the low is getting higher, and today they also pump up. So short-term momentum is there. Okay, so maybe I will put at 350 as your crucial support. So long they are above 350 should be alright. Okay, still okay. And today we can say they consider breakout above 365. Okay, we don't know lah. Maybe history may repeat just like this. Okay, up, then they break down, then double already. So now I think still got room to go up lah. Okay, maybe 4 ringgit as your immediate resistance. Okay, take note that. Okay, how about the Inari? Yeah, Inari doing great. Okay, this one I also mentioned before, right? Pending for the breakout above 2 ringgit. Okay, this one no chance for pending lah. They straight breakout already. Okay, they open breakout. They open gap up. Then they straight away hit the resistance zone. 228. Okay, they straight hit the resistance 228. But for me, yesterday they have a huge volume pump up. Today more on neutral mode. So for me, it's still alright lah. So maybe they were just wandering around here and pending for the breakout above 228, 233. Okay, this is your resistance zone. Okay, once they can clear, you can see until 260, 270, 275 also possible. So momentum, yep, still optimistic lah. Okay, so pending for the breakout only. Okay, so how about the Dofu? Tofu also okay. Okay, just that today closing not super bullish. Okay, today closing is like they a bit how to say a bit struggle when they push up. Okay, got a little bit profit taking activities. Okay, but the rebound is still ongoing lah. So maybe we can put a support 129. Above 129, still okay. If they go below 129, they need more time. Okay, maybe they need to go sideways a while. Okay, for this tofu, you can see actually they early already break out lah. Okay, some of the stocks today or yesterday baru break out. Okay, a bit lag, but this one you can see they already jalan. Okay, so yeah, take note on Hero 140, 145, 150 because today a little bit rejection at a 140. Okay, I worried they might retrace a bit and go sideways. Okay, maybe people do some rebound trade already, earn money, they run to other counters. Okay, also possible this. Okay, but so long above 129, I think still watchable lah. Okay, so back to the HSI. Let me see. HSI is still okay lah. Okay, you can see they already recovered above 225. Okay, 22500. Recovered above 23k. So far supported. So still okay, and yeah, maybe they still have potential to heading to 24,000. Okay, so for HSI, take note on 23k. Stay above, they are still very bullish. Okay, tapi close below, we need to see again. Okay, maybe something wrong already. Okay, how about the 9988? Okay lah, not bad lah. Filled the gap already. Okay, ini gap down. Wow, macam very fearful. Then they slowly climb back already. So this was 3rd of April. Okay, today macam nothing happened already. So this one maybe tentatively I will use a support 125 lah. Stay above 125. Still good. Okay, still alright. Okay, MN Holding. This one many people love. Wow. Okay, so far so good. Okay, actually MN Holding these counters actually they recovered quite fast. Okay, even though we have a fearful event back then, but they recovered quite fast. Okay, then they go into consolidate and continue pump out. Okay, but now they are challenging. Okay, recent all-time high. Okay, which is at a 130 level lah. Okay, if we zoom out, actually this counter is still doing uptrend, and today the momentum is still good. Okay, so I think it's still alright lah. Okay, but because they already all-time high, right? So we need to do a projection on next resistance lah. 158 too far already. I think. Yeah, I put at. Let me see if this one can. Okay lah, can 151. So round up 150. Okay, 150 would be your next resistance. If they can sustain above, maybe I put at a 128 lah. Oh no, sorry 125 lah. Okay, give them 126. Okay, so if they can sustain, stay above 126, should be okay. Then you can aim. Okay, slowly throw your trading stop lah. Okay, some maybe they will consider to take partial first. Okay, because it already hit all-time high. Then another partial, maybe fight for more upside. Okay, also can. Okay, also can. More flexible to our position. Okay, how about the Magma? Okay, Magma is still doing well. Okay, Magma is still doing well. So we can see, okay, even though these counters are not very familiar, but I can see recently pumping out sideways, another pump. Okay, the volume is not bad. Okay, so long above 330 should be okay. And turn on the next resistance. Okay, looks like they pump out and form a flat or pendant pattern, and today consider a flat or pendant breakout. So yep, still good. But this one, I'm not sure what counter is this, but looks a bit goreng punya feeling. Okay, but if you in earlier, I think it's still alright lah. So long above 330 lah. Okay, so how about the UEMS? Okay, UEMS are the volume as well. So this one, yeah, they also pending for breakout also. They need to break through 805 or 820. They need to break through 805 today at here already. Not bad. Okay, maybe we can consider today breakout here 7770. Okay, good. Okay, so what we can see, UEMS also downtrend punya counters, but they also form a similar pattern as well lah. Most counter you can see the bottoming, the pattern are quite same punya. Okay, yesterday actually got a little bit signal because yesterday they have a huge volume come in, but the price action not really move much. Okay, and today they give us a confirmation they break out here 770, so we can use 770 as our support. Stay above is still okay, the breakout is still valid, and next resistance we can see until 875 90 cents okay, because this counter is still below 200 MAs. I still consider them as a downtrending counters, or most likely just a rebound only lah. Okay, how about the RTech, Rich Tech? Okay, new counters this one. Okay, but the build out is still okay lah. Okay, build out is still okay. Okay, I think previous review I do mention 285. Okay, so lucky thing lah, supported. Yeah, even though yesterday tried to break down, but it's still okay lah. Okay, it's still okay. So maybe I need to readjust the support already 280. Maybe they hit already. They hurt my support already. Okay, so they move down one bit later. Okay, so it's still alright. Volume is still okay. Structure you can see they build out and sideways. Okay, today move out is still okay. So I would say so long above 280. Should be still alright. Okay, but this is a new counters lah, right? February until now, so about 3 months. So we still don't know their characteristic that much lah. Okay, I only can base on the recent performance to give a review only lah. Okay, so based on recent performance, indeed, they looks like still got hard to push lah. Okay, Asia Ply. Let me see. This one last review I do mention okay punya, right? But I do mention a bit high risk. Okay, so far so good lah. So far so good. Okay, so bought EP 160. Oh, okay, 160. Price have changed to break to 170, 20 cents. Okay, nearest R2. Okay, from what I see here, 195. Okay, from what I see here, the resistance 175, 195, 175, 195. R1, R2. Okay, United Plantation. United Plant. Let me see if I can find United Plantation. Okay, you give me a code name is better. Let me search. United Plantation. What is the code name? United Plantation Bursa. Okay, UTD. Okay, not so famous, that's why. Okay, this one still doing uptrend, still doing uptrend. The only little concern is the divergence only. Okay, the only little concern on the United Plantation is a divergence only lah. Okay, this only indicate that the uptrend a little bit weakening. Okay, then maybe they might have some correction. Okay, just like that only. Okay, but doesn't mean that they are going to uptrend or what lah. Okay, still okay. Just that maybe in the short run, maybe they need to take some rest, go sideways, just like that only lah. So I believe this is more on your long-term position. Okay, if long-term position, no issue lah. Okay, unless you short term you plan to take some profit already, then only KIV lah. Otherwise, yeah, still okay lah. LPI is still okay, still going up. Okay lah, still boleh tahan lah. Okay, but yeah, usually this one mostly investor inside lah. Okay, traders won't be inside here. But it's still okay lah, still okay. Okay, these two are still healthy, it's still okay. Okay, Ewin. Ewin is still okay lah. Recently they pull up quite much. Okay, yesterday attempt sell down, but today got a recovery. Okay, they do make a comeback. So based on here, today's support is 30 cents. Yesterday's support is 30 cents. Okay, so take note this or Ewin, so long above 30 cents should be okay. Okay, so long 30 cents should be alright. Elrich, they are at resistance already. 60 cents is your immediate resistance. Okay. So tentatively you take note on your support lah. 580, stay above is still alright. Okay, how about the Faytech? Faytech is still in the downtrend leh. Okay, the only, how to say the only thing we can see is yeah, they do have some volume improve over here. Okay, just that the price action not really reflect lah. Okay, volume ada here, but I'm not sure discounters. Okay, MACD okay, they do have some divergence. Okay, and the market has been sideways around here. Volume okay, not too much, not too little, boleh tahan. So this one maybe pending for the breakout lah, 465. Okay, once breakout, maybe we can see more upside, maybe to 540 like that. Okay, but I will say, yeah, 50-50 lah, this one, more on 50-50. Okay, MN Holding just now covered on the mother share, so I do mention it's about 150 will be your next resistance based on the Fibonacci. And how about the sun? Okay, if we use here to do a projection on the sun, 136 136, a bit ambitious, but yeah, we still can put. Okay, I like to put round out lah, 135. Okay, and if we use more conservative way, is about 128 next resistance. Okay, so 128, 135 will be your R1, R2 for the sun. Okay, how about the Genting? Provided this one, provided you need to do some trading stop lah. Okay, example for this one, maybe you can put at the 105 as your trading stop. Okay, sometimes we plan for our TP, maybe it's too far away. Sometimes it's like not so realistic, right? So we need to have some trading stop. So maybe for this case, maybe I will put at 105. In case the yield turn down, okay, at least I can protect my profit and not just wait for my TP at here. Okay, maybe they might not achieve that level. Okay, so it happen the price can go up further, then I move my trading stop out further. Okay, example, at the moment I put 105, right? If they move up further, okay, maybe I put at 110 already. Okay, 110, then maybe 115, 120, slowly adjust up. Okay, once they have a U-turn, then I quickly protect my profit lah. Okay, just in case. Okay, just in case. Okay, how about the Genting? Okay, Genting also form a bottoming lah. I would say, okay, even though Genting is a downtrending counters, but at least the price or the structure already started to stabilize. Okay, you can see they found a bottom at 3 ringgit, bounce up. Okay, when they retest here, 318, they supported. Okay, recently supported by 20-50 MA. So based on what I see here, I think Genting, they do have potential to bounce a little bit more. Okay, so I think it's still alright lah. Okay, so SFP. Okay, volume improve. Okay, SFP, I think we can start look into it. Okay, can start look into it. So at least you can see on 5th of May, even today, 14th of May, okay, the volume is improved. And so far the price supported 215. Okay, volume, okay lah, not too bad. Okay, so based on here, MACD also crossing up. So they do have potential for the bottoming. Okay, and the resistance, we need to turn on 260 first. Okay, because they have a gap down. So they somehow need to fill the gap or break out the gap. Then they only can move up further. So this one I will put in the watch list as well. I think, yeah, based on the volume, I think it's interesting. Yeah, provided don't break below 215 lah. Okay, in nature, okay, yeah, congratulations now, okay, because previously I think my analysis, what I can see is until 20 cents only, okay, but yeah, since they hit your target already, 235 is very good. Okay, this one is quite lucky lah for me. Okay, best case scenario already, because previously they also got rejection here. So lucky thing you also follow your TP level, okay? Because you can see previously when they hit here, they also high volume, then next sell down. Today, they also have a similar pattern, volume also quite high lah. Okay, based on here, yeah, the chances of coming down also there. Okay, so this one, I think, yeah, wait for them to come down and stabilize. If you're still interested, then you baru tengok lah. Okay, so yeah, technical point of view, yeah, of course, this is a so-called shooting star like candle, and we can say it's more on profit-taking activities. So let them wash down. Okay, SFP, I think okay lah, can KIV lah. As our risk is low, okay, we know where to cut loss. Okay, this one is a quite new counters. Rich 10. Wow. Nowadays they like those rich name. One is a rich tech. This one is a rich 10. Okay, this one is quite a new, as you can see. Less than 1 month the chart. Okay, only 2 weeks that only. Okay, I cannot do much analysis. Okay, based on here, maybe I can say, okay, so long they are above 545. Maybe they still okay lah. Okay, this one memang susah leh. 545, okay lah. Okay, above 545 should be alright. Okay, SKP, I think yesterday quite good, no? Let me see. Yeah, SKP already hit. I would say they already hit my target, which is 1 ringgit, which is 200 MAs. Okay, today 104. Okay, for me, if I do a rebound trade, here is a place, no matter how, okay, I need to protect some already. Okay, so for instance, okay, because resistance turn support, right? 98 and 1 ringgit. Okay, 1 ringgit, 98 cents is your immediate support, and current price 104, 105 is your resistance. Okay, 110 is your R2. 120, 123 is your R3. Okay, G-Tronic. Ini pun sama semua. Ini I think previously kena my stop loss. Stop loss kena sell down. Then they rebound, recovered. Okay, so far they stay above 440, 450. Today another breakout. Okay, today G-Tronic breakout above 50 cents. Closing price 515. Okay, momentum boleh tahan. Okay, because they have a lot overhead resistance. So Tenor 530, 565, 595, and your support 50 cents, 480. Okay, these two crucial level lah. But if they go below 480, I think they might continue sideways lah. They may revisit 450 level. And how about the SMRT? Okay, today ada breakout lah. Okay, what we can see. Okay, SMRT I think covered quite some time lah. Okay, maybe on this date lah, the first signal, high volume pump up. Then they sideways for a couple of weeks. Today, second breakup with volumes. Okay, since they just break out above 1 ringgit, we can use a 990 as our support. Okay, 990 is our S1 and resistance. Yeah, we still need to respect the 200 MAs. 110. Okay, take note 110, 115, 120 is our R1, R2, R3. Okay, if they break down below 990, the breaker considered invalid already. They might come back down to 915 level. Okay, so SMRT today break up, boleh tengok lagi okay. Okay, masih boleh lah. Okay, how about the Yong Tai? Okay, let's see. Okay, Yong Tai last time when we covered okay, I think we covered during this time, and here is a place for us to take profit. Okay, so now we can see they already washed down, price started to stabilize. Okay, so if you're still interested with Yong Tai, take note, okay, cannot break down 180 lah. Stay above 180, maybe still okay. And they need to break through 20 cents. They need to break through, go above 20 cents, and they only can revisit the 230 level. Okay, so now what I suspect, okay, what I expect lah, is the price may go sideways macam ini. If they break through, then they may go to 230 level. Okay, if they break down, game over. Okay, now the game is still got the 50% chance lah. Okay, IT Max. IT Max IT Max, these counters is very strong 2022. You can see if I close all the lines despite what happened outside the world, they still going up. Okay, so even though recent sell down, they also panic a while ni. Okay, fearful a while ni, and they recovered quite fast. Okay, this is on 7th of April. Yeah, they have a gap down, not so nice already. But the next few days they recovered already. So this one long run, okay, I mean long term. If you're a long term holder, yeah, this one no problem lah. Okay, but if you short term one, you need to take note on 4 ringgit 410 as your immediate resistance. 99 Smart. Okay, looking for support lah. Okay, so far so good. Okay, need cross down a bit lah. Okay, so this one today closing is a 223. If can somewhere around 2.2x lah, maybe 220 221 222 I think also okay. Okay, most importantly you need to set your stop loss below 215. Okay, if they close below 215, dah cantik already. Okay, now what we bet on is they pump up, they go sideways. Okay, if they can break through, you may see more upside maybe to 240 level. But if they break down, dah cantik already lah. So I think this one most likely they are in this zone to doing sideways. Yeah, of course best support would be 218 lah, but I don't know they want to come down or not. Okay, if you don't mind this 1-2 bits, then you can queue slightly higher lah. If you think okay lah, okay, just few bit away, then okay lah, can KFV lah. As long as you know your stop loss is somewhere around 214 or below, okay, because I say cannot close below 215 then should be alright already lah. Okay, so Genitech, Great Tech, Netgate, Unisem. Okay, Genitech, what we can see here. Also okay lah. Let me see. I draw too many lines already. I need to delete some of the lines. Okay, Genitech. Yeah, the day before today, actually they are still like struggle a bit lah. Okay, but at least we can see today they have a firm breakout. Okay, consider breakthrough 110 level. Volume ada, but once they break out, they hit the 200 MAs already, 120 level. Okay, but doesn't matter lah. Most importantly, the next few days, they cannot go below 110. Stay above 110. I think they still have challenge still have chance to challenge the 200 MAs or even break through the 200 MAs. Okay, MACD not too bad. So yeah, still okay. And how about the Greatech? Yeah, Greatech also have a good pump. Okay, resistance 189. And how about, okay, if speaking about the breakout, they didn't break much lah. Okay, maybe I will consider them as a breakout 170 lah. Okay, the closing a little bit struggle. Okay, I will say a little bit struggle. Okay, still good. Okay, still consider a good breakout. Okay, just that the closing a little bit pressure lah. Okay, got a little bit selling pressure. So the next things we need to monitor is a 170. Okay, if they can sustain above 170, should be alright. Okay, do take note, they all below 200 MAs punya. So we trade them as a rebound lah. Okay, net gate is still going up. Okay, still doing good. Okay, high volume. Actually, the net gate, the first signal was here when they break out 140, if not mistaken. Yeah, when they break out above 140 is the first signal already. So now they are approaching 200 MAs. Okay, today they break through 170. Take note on the 200 MAs. Now 100 MAs is a 179. And the 200 MAs 185. Take note 185. So if you bought at the bottom, then you want to protect some also can. Okay, because my rules number one is, okay, if we do a rebound trade, okay, 200 MAs is a level, at least protect some. Okay, protect partial. Okay, for Unisem, yesterday they have a breakout. Okay, as previous live session, I do mention before, Unisem has been sideways for quite long already, pending for the breakout. Yesterday they break through 210. So what happened today? They open gap up sikit lah. They push all the way up to here. Where? 2270 lah, right there. Yeah, today high was 270. But okay, high 270, but by end of day, they kena sell down. So for me, Unisem, the closing not that strong. Okay, due to the selling pressure is too much already. Okay, and somehow you can see they near 200 MAs already. Near 200 MAs kena pressure down. So for me, I personally, I will give out this counter first. Okay, I will feel not so comfortable with the rejection. Okay, within 15 minutes only, this one. Okay, they pump out on 250, then they kena sell down. Okay, I will put a question mark lah on the strength. Okay, a little bit fishy for me. If you you still interested with this one, make sure they are above 229. Okay, 229. Okay, if the next few days they can sustain above 229, maybe still got chance to go up again lah. But if they go below 229, I think memang no strength. Okay, memang no strength. Okay, this also possible. I think quite possible that maybe the buy Q sell Q is very thin. Maybe they buy a bit. They push out too much. Fat finger. Maybe. Okay. E&O still alright lah. E&O. Okay, E&O pending for the breakthrough. 855. Once they can clear 855, should be good. Okay, so this one also bottoming a bit, and for them to make a reversal, they need to clear 920 or 90 cents above baru cantik. Okay, now their first challenge is to clear 855 lah. Okay, so boleh tahan lah. I think next week we'll review again. Okay, so this one cannot break below 80 cents. Okay, below 80 cents memang tak begitu cantik lah for the E&O. Okay, how about Axiata? Okay, Axiata, you can see they bounce up from 170 all the way to 220 already. And also this 220 is we can say 215 or 217. Okay, this is at the moment they are at the 200 MAs. If you are trading, as my rules number one, for rebound 200 MAs, take some profit dulu. Okay, partial profit also can. But if your position is very small, if you think take partial not so worth, okay, then you need to set a trading stop lah. Maybe I set at the 210 level. Okay, if they close below 210, then tak begitu cantik already. Okay, and this one, they need to clear 220. They baru ada chance to go up. Okay, otherwise, if they get resisted by 220, then a bit dangerous for them. Okay, if they cannot go up, they will come down. Okay, okay, so for VS, okay, VS yesterday got huge volume breakout above 870. Yeah, you can see yesterday got a very good volumes. So these counters are, I think previously we also covered lah. Okay, just that they didn't show a confirmation, they didn't show a how to say, the strong price action. Okay, finally yesterday got high volume pump out. Okay, for me it's a very good PA. Okay, price action, got volumes. Okay, today is a small bearish candle. You can see the volume is very low, so for me still okay, just a small profit taking activities. Okay, by zooming out, okay, 10 on the next resistance. Okay, this was a support lah, 940, 940, 940, 950. Okay, support turn resistance. Now this is a resistance, 940, 950. Okay, I think based on the strength, they do have potential to break through lah. Okay, so long stay above 870 should be good lah. Okay, above 870 should be good. Okay, I need to okay, I need to be faster a bit already. Otherwise, I cannot cover all. Okay, let me scroll back. Too many counters already. Okay, let me see. Okay, T Chong, Tang Chong. Got chance I would say still other chance. Okay, if yesterday you asked me, I would say no chance. But today at least we can see a strong comeback. Okay, so we can see this Tan Chong, they push out already, they sell down, and finally today got a bullish candle with volumes. Okay, so long above 50 cents, okay lah, boleh. Okay, I need to be fast a bit lah, otherwise I think we will confirm overrun until 10 p.m. already. Okay, Gamuda so far so good lah. Okay, I think this Gamuda, we do mention before. Okay, previously they was below the, okay, they was trading within the downtrend channel, right? Ever since they have a breakout 415, yeah, turn cantik already lah. So far so good. Okay, I would say so far so good lah. So for this one, yeah, still no problem. Okay, still no problem. Okay, how about the Masing? Masing also, I would say, also okay lah, Masing. Okay, recently they recovered above 120, so I would say Masing still okay. And so long above 115, yep, watchable still. Okay, still watchable. Netgate we covered already. We go for the Salute lah. Okay, Salute is a high risk counters, I would say, but if speaking about the chances, I would say still ada lah. Okay, since they have a volumes with us. And today breakout 290 lah, closing 305. So long above 290, the breakout considered valid. Okay, POS. POS ada chance ada chance lah. So long above 280, still okay. Okay, Opstar. Okay, Opstar to TP. Opstar also okay. Today also ada volumes. If you notice, most counter also do a similar double bottom or higher low, something like that. Okay, so there has been sideways. Today volume breakout 565, closing 585. So okay, where is your next resistance? Okay, for your immediate resistance, because this was a support, then resistance 650 will be your R1. Okay, because this is a 200 MA, 775 would be your R2. Okay, R1, R2. Take note these two levels first lah. Okay, DNO covered already. We need to skip lah. Sorry about that. So we need to go for the TMK. New counters. Actually, they already at the resistance 138. Yesterday, today also macam tak boleh go through. Okay, good news is on Friday they have a breakout above 122 lah. So when they come back to retest 1 to 2, if they can stay above, should be alright. Okay, I need to skip some. So maybe one person, I will choose one or two counters. Greater we cover already. We go for CMSB. Okay, CMSB, or if you already in, congratulations. Okay, so far so good. The performance is good, but okay, for me, already hit the orange line, which is a 200 MA 118. So if you want to protect some profit, yeah, you are okay to go for that lah. I think it's good for good to take some partial, at least partial. Okay, because they bounce up quite a lot already, and also now at the 200 MAs. Okay, but if you want to set a trading stop, maybe we can put at the 116. Okay, put at the 116. Below 116, maybe you also can do a profit taking or protect some lah. Okay, because if they go below 116, they might revisit 110 level. Let me see what counter is that. MSB. MSB Global. 1 hour time frame. This one quite a new counters. I see nothing. Okay. I cannot comment too much because nothing much for me to read from the such a short period of stocks. You can see 1 month like that only. Today only 14th of May. This one 15th of April and then now. So the only thing I base on the daily chart okay, what I can see is they just in the sideway Okay, within 155 to 170. Okay, just like that. Nothing much I can comment. Okay, I would say more on sideway and some more quite a new counters. We don't know what they are going to do. Okay, at least this one SET is when January until now. Okay, at least got few months time frame okay, few months time period for us to read their behavior. Okay, recently not much volume I think macam no people concerned about these counters Okay, so for this one at least the selling pressure started to slow down. Okay, they macam stabilize around here So pending for the breakthrough 275. Okay, once they can clear 275, should be good. Okay, provided volumes. Okay, they lack of volumes. Okay, Mama just now cover already. Macam okay. Okay, I think you quite like those higher risk counters. Okay, let's see. This one Crest. Okay, Crest are the volumes as well. Let me see. This one is October. Quite a new counters. Okay, let me delete all. Okay, the volume improved You can see end of April until now. This one I think quite okay Okay, I think your your style you like those pennies counters Okay, MACD also okay. Okay, this one I will feel more confidence that they looks better due to the volume here. Okay, and the low is slowly getting higher. Okay, so long above 20 cents, I am still okay with them. And if speaking about the resistance, if I use 100 MA, about there, maybe 230 or 235 like that is your immediate resistance. 235, 250, and 265 is your R1, R2, R3. Okay, this one I feel okay. Okay, Opstar we covered already. Wait, a bit chuan already. Go to revenue. Revenue. Nothing much Okay, even though they have volumes but I don't think. Oh, this one becomes so penny. Last time I used to trade them, but they are still in the sideway. they need to break through Tencent lah. They baru ada jalan lah. They baru ada chance lah. ECA. Also okay only leh. Not so positive leh. Okay, ECA 165 cannot break cannot break 165. Stay above still ada sikit-sikit chance. Supermax sudah fear lah. Supermax they already broken down below 790. So for me the breakout sudah fear. Okay. I think usually they need to US need to quarrel with China then maybe only good for them. Okay, now they seems friend already so nothing much already, they come back down. If they put more tariff on China maybe good for our country lah. So we need to support the tariff. Okay. Okay, my EG is still sideways lah. Okay, still sideways. So they need to break out 960 baru ada story lah. Okay, but at least I can see the short-term momentum or they are ready, but pending for the breakthrough only. Okay, how about the SL Force? Let's see. Oh, suddenly high volume pump out. But this SL Force, breakout, I would say hit TP already loh. Okay, but if you're still interested, yeah, of course, we can consider them as a breakout above 270 lah. 270, 260, 270, 260 I will use as a support zone. Okay, if they retrace and get supported, still alright. Okay, return today macam okay also. Return also okay. Also a little bit like the inverse head and shoulder, but it's a mini one. Okay, mini one. Okay, good is the price finally recovered above 2050 MA. Today volume okay, not too bad. So return in my opinion they are still alright lah. Okay, so long above 610 should be good. Momentum still favor to the bull. So this one watch list. Okay. Okay, MSM. MSM we covered quite some time already leh. Okay, nice to see, nice to hold. If you still interested, I think still alright lah. Okay, so long above 128. Okay, still alright. Keyview 190 as your immediate support. Okay, cut loss if they go below 180 low. Then take note on the resistance 206, 210. Ramzo can sell. Ramzo can sell. Ramzo actually at the resistance already 920. Yeah, if you feel like I cannot give you buy sell recommendation lah. What I can say is if your intention is plan to switch to other counters, okay, yeah, current price I feel okay, yeah, because they hit the resistance 920 and they gonna rejected down a little bit. So yeah, consider they hit the high already. Maybe they might retrace down further. So if you consider to move your fund to other place or what, yeah, I think yeah, okay. 很远 very far. Okay, 很远 today rebound, but they rebounded to the resistance lah. So take note to 195, sorry. Take note to 2 ringgit and 210 as your R1, R2. Okay, do remember 很远 back then, last year. They also have a sudden pump. But only for few days only, then they sell down already. Now they come back with a pump. Okay, I don't know they can pump out how far lah. But yeah, 10 euro, 2 ringgit, 210, 230 is your R1, R2, R3. Okay, so take note. Okay, this one you can see they do multiple times already. Every time pump out to 200 MAs, it might continue sell down. Okay, so now Trump already friendly to market and everyone can be calm and ride the trend. Yeah, he want you to forget. Okay, Trump want you to forget about the fearful event. Okay, so everyone go in happily. Then suddenly he U-turn or kena again. Okay, also possible this one. Okay, Inertia just now covered. Tofu just now covered already. GBGA, okay, gabungan. Let's go. Oh, this one a long time no review already. But okay, indeed they have some bottoming lah. At least you can see they're trying to do a bottoming at 175 and 20 cents and got some breakout and move out a bit. But I can see the average trading volumes macam not so exciting lah. Okay, so I will say the strength okay, due to lack of volumes. Okay, so take note on 235 as your immediate resistance. Okay, Emulus just now covered already, if not mistaken. Yeah, for me, hit 200 MAs is my at least partial profit level lah. Or yeah, Usma recently got some volumes. Okay, but take note these counters. Wow, you can see very nice downtrend. Okay, Usma. Right, you can see the downtrend since last year. Downtrend for 1 year already. Okay, so if we base on the resistance, now they are already approaching. Okay, now approaching, pending for the breakout. Once they can break through, then maybe it's a good news for them. Okay, so at least recently we can see they found a bottom around here, 370, 385. Okay, volume improve. Okay, so for the confirmation, they need to clear certain level baru. Clear certain level, stay above, they baru boleh ada further upside right? So for this case, maybe I will use 420. Sorry. Consider 420. Okay. So long they are above 420, maybe okay. And they need to clear 450 Okay. If happen they can clear above 450, then we can consider they break out from the downtrend channel. Stay above 450, then will be good for them. Okay. So EcoVest. Okay, EcoVest at the resistance 350 would be your 200 MAs, and also is a place for you to at least protect partial profit lah. Okay, if you still want to fight on, then you can use a 335 as your immediate support. Okay, next resistance after 350, next resistance 370. Okay, DRB. Okay, DRB is still going up and they are approaching your resistance already So here was a support, turn into resistance. So take note 940 plus minus is your immediate resistance, and they rebounded quite much already. So for me, try to protect some when they near. Any thought on YBS? And nothing yet Okay, they don't have much volumes. Okay, they do have some divergence. But you can see actually they don't have much volume lately and don't have any convincing price action yet. Okay, the only thing maybe you can say is, okay, they do have some potential bottoming at the 315. But not so convinced me yet Okay, Opstar does not cover already. So for me, Opstar, I am more optimistic on Opstar GFTech, I think just now covered already. Okay, GFTech today got a breakout 505. Okay, so you take note 590 and 630 as your immediate resistance. Massing we covered, HSI we also covered already. Trading stop for the Salib 265 low. Okay, your EP 235 then okay lah. So 265 would be your trading stop. Okay, but these counters, you know their pattern lah, right? So it's a hoo-ha a lot unya. So you need to know what you are doing with them lah. Okay, as long as you can catch their pattern, then you can earn the money from them lah. Okay, YTL Power still doing great, even though previously they have some kind of profit taking at the 200 MAs. But for me, no matter how, here is a place protect some lah. Okay, but it's still okay. You still can consider them as a box breakout. Okay, still going up, so it's still alright for the YTL Power. Okay, at the moment, if maybe we can do a trading stop at the 365. Okay, so long the closing price above 365 still alright, then you can see next level 4 ringgit level lah. Let me rest a while. Okay, RGB. Okay, RGB recently recovered with some volumes. Okay, the only thing is they need to go through 375. Okay, they need to go through 375. Otherwise, this would be their resistance. Okay, for me, they are weak. Okay, tentatively, I consider them as a rebound only. Okay, they already rebounded to the resistance. Okay, MRCB. MRCB also hit resistance already. 515 hit already. So for those who bought at the bottom, I think here is a place. Yeah, do some partial profit. Protect first, okay? Paper profit is just a paper profit. Okay, it's not a real money. Okay, 3 run I think is still okay. Pending for the breakthrough lah. They need to clear 290. Once they clear 290, should be good. Okay, EcoWest we covered already. Okay, Sensoft we yet to cover lah. Okay, volume ada. Okay, technically, yeah, of course they do have some technical chance lah. Okay, high volume, and today has a breakout 205. Okay, so meaning Sensoft so long they are above 205, the breakout is still valid. And next level, okay, 225, 250 lah, R1, R2. EcoWest I covered already. Wow. Okay, covered already. Now at the resistance lah. Okay, so if you still want to fight on, for me, EcoWest most importantly cannot close below 320 lah. Okay, most importantly cannot close below 320. Gamuda we also covered already. We go for the capital A. Okay, good news for the capital A, recovered 200 MAs. Okay, these counters also similar. Last time I do mention they break through the downtrend channel. Okay, once they break through, they jalan already. So now 880 lah. So long above 880 should be okay for the capital A. Okay, how about the clock point? Wow, also rebound. Okay, they also rebounded to the resistance. Okay, somehow they are at resistance now. Okay, 830, 840. If you bought at the bottom, you can consider partial first. Okay, partial profit first. Okay, Gamuda covered already. Okay, Gamuda covered already. Highly. Hey, this one nothing much leh. I think they mostly go sideways dulu. Okay, this one nothing much interesting yet. Okay, so long above 20 cents, maybe it's still alright. Okay, maybe it's still alright. Okay, let me see. Hibiscus. Okay, I think due to the oil price rebounded a bit, so maybe they already stopped selling down. Okay, so at least we can see the price trying to stabilize here. So today closing price of 160. Hopefully by the next few days they can go above 160. Okay, then would be good for short term. Okay, and maybe I'll put the support down to 150 lah. Okay, so long above 150 should be alright. Take note on 170180 as your R1, R2. Okay, EcoWest we covered. EcoWest covered. Okay, let's go for the KGB. Okay, due to the time constraint, I cannot cover it all. So some I just randomly pick few counters lah. Okay, KGB is good. Okay, they are making a good comeback. They recovered quite well. Okay, go back above 340 already. So take note on your immediate resistance 360. Okay, because I think it's a quite strong resistance. You can see since last year June until now, they're not really able to clear 360. Okay, Capital A we covered and Gamuna we covered. Okay, it's a good sign. It's a good sign. Now you back in business means market now hot cake like that. Yesterday, foreign fund enter 700 millions into. Yes, okay. I think previous week, previous 1 or 2 weeks, I do mention market got the feeling already, and now it's more okay. Now I would say this week is everyone can feel the market is hot already. So I think market from fearful to neutral. Okay, now a little bit greedy, but not until extremely greedy yet. Okay, so when can earn money, then you earn money first lah. Okay, when need to take profit lah. Don't feel very confident every day make money already. Then you add more position, add more size. So Notion okay. Notion just now cover already. So based on the volume, all okay, and pending breakout 770. Once they can clear 770, should be okay. How about critical holding Berhad got discounters? Let me see. Critical. Give me a stocks. How to say? Sometimes you give me full name. I don't know what counters. Holding Brusa. Already got discounters. Because this one is I need to find Malaysia. Oh, CHP. Okay. Yeah, next time you give me CHP will do. Okay, CHP still doing well. Okay, I think this one we do cover earlier lah. Okay, so far today also pump out with volumes. So this one still good. Okay, still good. So long above 70 cents. I would say overall they are still in a good shape lah. But we consider them as a rebound only lah. Rebound only. So maybe 7. Okay, maximum is a 200 ms, right? So it's a 860 level, but on the way up, maybe it's a 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents, 860 would be R1, R2. Okay, what happened to dollar index? Okay, let us see how is a dollar doing. Okay, for me, a dollar already bottom. Okay, this is a dollar index. So the index is true, how to say, the dollar are against the major pairs, which is a strong country lah. Okay, so Malaysia is out already. Okay, so from here dollar index, what we can see, this is a 2023 chart until today. So far you can see dollar always supported by the 99 and hundreds. So recently they macam found a bottom here lah. Okay, so for me dollar they still have potential to rebound. Okay, even though the momentum is favor to the bear. Okay, unless they break below 99.5 lah. Okay, they break below 99.5, we may see more weakened dollar. Okay, now we can see, okay, if we zoom in, we can see, okay, this was during the hoo-ha time, okay, when the tariff things are, okay, media, everyone say, oh, they are throwing dollar, the one to dollar already, maybe they are collecting lah. Okay, so we can see they get supported, now come back already. Okay, so long they are above 99.5, the rebound is still ongoing, still have potential to bounce up further. Okay, so I think dollar, they do have potential to bounce from this zone lah. Gishen. Okay, this counter is quite illiquid, but if based on the trend point of view, I would say they are still in a good shape, still in an uptrending. So long above 160 should be good. I think you want the TP stop loss, something like that, right? Oh, for me, I will put the trading stop for you lah. Trading stop. But these counters, okay, to be honest, they are in liquid counters. Okay, I think it's controlled by few person only lah. So they can do a very volatile movement. Okay, I will say so long above 160 should be still alright, and you can take 180, 190 as your R1, R2. Okay, last one is a dialogue. Okay, apologize. Tonight I can't cover every counters due to the too many questions. Okay lah. I talked too slow already. Okay, I couldn't cover all. Okay, dialogue is still doing well. Okay, well, we can see actually dialogue yesterday open gap up. Okay, they close above 160, and today continue rise up, and I think they do have potential to fill the gap here. Okay, if you notice dialogue, they have a support here. Used to have a support here lah. Then they kena gap down, sell down all the way to 115. Now seems like they are going to fill the gap 178. Okay, if you want to know your immediate resistance, 178 will be your R1, and 200 MAs will be your R2. So 178, 190. Okay, USD for me USD okay, trend bearish, but potential bottoming as well. Okay, bottoming as in what? Bottoming as in dollar might going strengthening against MYR lah. Okay, what I see lah. Okay, so long they are above 425, 420. Okay, this is a crucial support for our USD-MRR. Okay, if they break down, we may see 4 ringgit already. Okay, if they break below 420, ringgit will be strengthened against the dollar lah. Okay, so if they can get supported above 420, 425, I am seeing might go back up to 440 level. Okay, for me, my opinion is our ringgit need to be weak. Okay, because we are export country. Okay, if our ringgit is strong, the export seems not attractive already. Okay, so I think and with the dollar rebounding, so maybe we might seeing USD-MRR to maybe 438 or 440 level. Okay, I think if our currency can stay above 440 and go sideways, stabilize, I think will be quite balanced lah. Okay, since we already used to it already. Okay, and weak ringgit is good for the export and good for the investment, foreign investment. Okay, when they see the ringgit is weak, they might feel more attractive, okay, to invest into Malaysia. Okay, so we can get more monies lah. Okay, so at the moment, as we can see, last week they have a weekly support at the 425 level. So we see whether any chance for them to recover above 440 lah. Okay, on the other hand, if they close below 425, if they close below 420, then no good lah. We may see more downside on our USD-MRR. So means you might feel our ringgit macam strengthening, but no, actually it's a dollar weakening. Okay, so that's all for tonight. Okay, apologize for those counters that I couldn't cover lah due to I talked too slow already. Okay, so next Monday. Okay, see you on next Monday. Okay, thank you Sifu for having me here. If you're yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. Especially now, okay, market so active already, you need a live chat lah. Okay, so at least you can know, okay, your stocks doing what. Okay, so for those who yet to tune in on my Telegram, okay, you may screenshot this QR code, okay, and join lah. Okay, so later I will share the watch list. Okay, at least you know what stocks to KIV and do some paper trade or learn from the trend. Okay, those I selected is those counters I feel they have a good structure lah. Okay, at least the winning rate is close to 50%. Okay, 50% winning rate. Okay, so that's all for tonight, and thank you everyone. Okay, so happy trading. We see you on next Monday 8:30. Thank you.